In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can troubleshoot your Binance mobile app on your Android smartphone. So if you are experiencing a lot of problems on your Binance app, maybe the app is not opening, or it keeps on stopping, or it crashes, then let me show you how you can fix this. If you'll find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking this video and also by subscribing to this channel. So my name is Isaac, and let's get into it. Now to get started, there are various steps you can take to solve this problem. Now in the first method, we need first to access the app info page. First, you can go to settings, and then under settings, scroll down and then look for the option called apps. Under this, you'll find this option called manage apps or all apps on other smartphones. It depends on the Android version you are using. So if I go ahead and tap on manage apps, this will go ahead and list all the apps that I have on my smartphone. So if I scroll down, you can see now our Binance app is here. Go ahead and tap on it, and now here you can see this is our app info page. Alternatively, if this process is quite long, let me show you the shortcut method. From your app here, just go ahead and long press on it, and again here you can see we have our app info option here. If you go ahead and tap on it, you will again end up on the same app info page. Now from here, if you look down here, you can see we have this option called clear data. And if I go to storage, you can see under cache, we have a lot of files on our cache data. So when you talk of cache data, we are talking of small files that are stored on your app to enhance the experience or usability of your app. However, the accumulation of these files might cause your app to malfunction. So to solve this, we need to clear this cache data. To clear the cache data, it is simple. Just head down here, and you can see we have this option called clear data. If I go ahead and tap on it, you'll find here two options, clear all data and clear cache. So we shall choose clear cache. If I tap on it and then OK, now you'll see the cache data has been cleared. At this point now, just go ahead and restart your smartphone and then open your app, and now it should start running fine. However, if this didn't solve your problem, then you might want to proceed to the next step, and that step is clearing all the data. So if you go ahead and tap on clear data, you can see we are told that if we clear data, we shall lose all the files that we had saved, and even our settings will be erased, and therefore you will have to log in afresh to be able to use your Binance app again. So go ahead and tap OK if you are okay with that option. However, I sometimes recommend that this should be the last option because of logging in afresh. If that didn't solve your problem, then let me show you the final step that you can take to make sure that you get the latest version or the latest app with the latest features. To do that, you need to go to your Google Play Store. So I'll tap on my Google Play Store and then search for Binance app. Now, as you can see, we have our Binance app here. If I go ahead and tap on it, look for any update if it is available. One of the reasons why your app is malfunctioning is because you are using an outdated version of Binance app, and all you need to do is to go ahead and update your app to the latest version. So from here, proceed and update your app, and then now you'll get the latest version of your app. Then go ahead and open it to start using it. So that's how you fix all the problems associated with your Binance app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.